It's my Antbot robot, quite small. Works and walks like an ant in a tripodal manner. Uses 2 servos. Has an Arduino-like board in it and can be programmed thusly. Program it right now to avoid light. So I'm going to turn it on here for a second and see what we get. I want to see, watch it walk. Okay. There it goes, kind of crazy. Trying to get away from the light here at this point. So it's an interesting little kit that's no longer available through dfrobot, but you can look at the information on dfrobot. Actually, see if I can Korean fashion it through the hole in the wood over here. And then I have to turn it off now before it does more damage. So thanks for watching.